Hey, Christian here, manager of Apollo Screen and Shade in San Diego. If you live in Forest Ranch, there's a good chance your home came with a California room. Builders out here have been incorporating them for years, and it makes sense. But a California room with an open face is still just a covered patio. You're still dealing with the bugs, the afternoon heat, and those cool winter nights. This is one of our most popular installs for a reason. We cover that opening with a power screen. One button and the whole space transforms. Year-round, it's a real room. In summer, the screen keeps the bugs out and knocks back the heat while the breeze still comes through. Winter, it holds the warmth in and extends the season by weeks. It's truly a year-round room. Apollo is factory direct. We measure, build, and install everything ourselves. Nobody else touches the job. 20 years in, thousands of installs across San Diego, and the California room conversion is one we know by heart. Come see it in person at our Escondido showroom or give us a call.